It's 8 a.m. in Fairfax County, and life is buzzing. Janet waits outside her home with her 6-year-old, ready to wave goodbye as the school bus arrives. After drop-off, she'll head to her job as an accounts payable clerk at a local hospital. Mary enjoys her morning coffee, gearing up to help her neighbors at Oakwood Meadow Senior Residences organize food donations for the community pantry. John is an aircraft mechanic at Dulles Airport. He's got a long day ahead, but his mind is on his son's championship soccer game tonight. And Darren has a 12-hour shift at the nursing home. He looks forward to talking with Betty, a chatty resident with great stories. Although their paths are different, Janet, Mary, John, and Darren share a commitment to family and community, all while benefiting from housing that is affordable. Affordable housing programs in Fairfax County support a diverse array of individuals and families, from new employees to seasoned professionals navigating a challenging market. Learn how these programs help residents obtain safe, affordable housing. Janet earns around $80,000 a year. She recently purchased an affordable dwelling unit through the First-Time Homeowners Program. Mary, a retiree on a fixed income, relies on affordable housing to stay in the Alexandria neighborhood she helped nurture. With a housing choice voucher, she remains close to her grandchildren and peers. John's income stretches thin for his family of 3. Thanks to affordable housing, his family has a vibrant place to call home at the Ovation at Arrowbrook, and it's a short commute to his job at the airport. Without this help, his family would have to live far from the community they cherish. Darren is a certified nursing assistant who is working on his bachelor's degree. He resides at one university through a project-based voucher with the Rental Assistance Demonstration Program. Affordable housing not only helps him pursue a degree, but the convenient location makes it easy to walk to class. Teaching assistants, nurses, hospitality workers, retail workers, and many more are included in the spectrum of affordable housing, which meets people at different income levels. Homes look the same as any other in Fairfax County, but feature more affordable rent for working families. By preserving existing homes and creating new opportunities, we can ensure that families from all backgrounds thrive together. Scan the QR code to hear real testimonials from residents in affordable housing. Visit the website for more information on our programs, services, and properties. Let's continue to work towards a community everyone can afford.